Okay. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing the basic dynamic analysis for MAAT assignment. Okay, so I will start it now. Okay, so basically, for basic dynamic analysis, you'll be running the malware while analyzing. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be doing process monitor, shot, process explorer, and also APAT DNS. I will be doing that as there is no internet connection, TCP or UDP for this malware. Later I will be doing. Okay, so I will start with process explorer. Process explorer, basically what does process explorer do is basically showing the background, the process that the background is running, so that you can see all the SVC hosts and window logon is here. Okay, so okay, now around the process monitor also. Okay, process monitor is to just to show out the process name and also the operation task for now. Okay, so I'll run the malware now. Okay, after running the malware, you can see that there is two exe file created. So it's called malware.exe and one.exe. Okay, this is the directory and the basically the location of the malware. And you also can see one.exe where's the location. And also for Process Explorer, you can see the DLL which contain in the malware. Like for malware.exe, you can see ADPPAT, orders connect 32, and rest of the DLL, user 32 DLL. Also for one.exe, it has its own specific DLL. As you can see, after running a malware, the CPU usage is very high as as the malware does a lot of processes. That's why it's the process CPU is the usage is so high. Okay. And also so for now I will go on the process monitor. Okay, so for process monitor you need to filter out. You need to show that the is the process ID itself. So you find out from Process Explorer, which is the 3076 and 2960. Okay, so IA 3076 and 2960. 2960. Okay, and in and apply. So take a while. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of things a lot of background process running by these two exe file which this malware.exe does. As you create file, create thread registry, all the stuff it does, and also one.exe. Okay, as you create thread and stuff, so basically you kind of like use CPU usage a lot, so you can see the usage from the CPU is very high. Okay, so I'm done with the Process Explorer and monitor. I need to restart the virtual machine as you can analyze with when the malware is contaminated. So you need to restore it to the clean file. Okay. Okay. So now I will go to I'll continue on the red shot. Okay. So basically, what does red shot does? Red shot basically does red shot does take the first shot, which is not executing the malware first. Take the first shot. After taking the first shot, you have to run the malware. After executing the malware, you take the second shot and you compare. Okay, so after comparing, you will see that the registry key added with the registry key added, and the value deleted, which is the value in the software window itself. Also the value added and value modified. Basically, the red key is to check out what does this malware affect what does it does to the registry, like added, delete, or modify the registry. Okay, so basically what does this does? That's all. Let's check just by checking the what does it make changes to the registry. So basically you have to take a first shot before running the malware and take a second shot after running the malware. Okay, so now we're doing the alpha DNS, which I need to restart this also, as you need a clean file first before you can actually show the analysis. Store a clean file, start again. Okay, so after I have restarted, now we'll do an APAT DNS. Okay, what does APAT DNS do? Basically, APAT DNS does is basically track the malware which domain does it goes to. Now, after just now I did mention that I won't be using netcat as this malware does not connect to any TCP like internet connection and UDP connection. Okay, for this I type the local address. Okay, now I will start the server first. As why do I need to start the server first? As before running the malware, you need to let it run first, but because you capture the malware, if the malware does any connection TCP or UDP connection, that it will it will start the server before running the malware, so it's able to check out which domain does it go to. Okay, so I execute the malware now. So as you can see, these three domain which is not is before I run the malware. So basically this tree is just some connection between internet for this tree, but it does not actually affect the malware. The malware actually does not affect any domains. So that's why I'm not using the netcat, netcat is used for the checking of the process of the TCP and UDP connection. Just ignore this. This two is just the window update which basically use up the connection for TCP and UDP. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's it for basic analysis. Thank you.